Good morning. I'm Dinagaran. Today our topic is properties of recursive language. So, to know about the recursive language, what is the recursive language? Whenever the Turing machine for the input it accept or reject, then we can say the language is recursive language. Now, what is the recursively enumerable language? For the input, Turing machine either halt or it might be in loop. Then we say that the input is a recursively enumerable language. Okay, now what are the properties of recursive language? Union of recursive language L1 and N2, the resultant also a recursive language. Now, how to design a Turing machine for to accept the union operation? Now, let's consider. Now, I am going to design a Turing machine M. Turing machine M1 accept L1. Turing machine M2 accept L2. So M1 accept, then M also accept. If M2 reject, then M also reject. Then our condition is satisfied, accept and reject. So we can say that union of recursive language also a recursive language. So if L1 accept or L2 accept, then Turing machine M halt. So the property is satisfied. Union of recursive language also a recursive language. Next property, intersection. Intersection of recursive language also a recursive language. So how to design a Turing machine for this? If M1 accept, then M2 also accept, then Turing machine M also accept. If M1 reject, then the Turing machine M also reject. So this is a condition. If M1 reject, the Turing machine M also reject. If M2 accept, then M also accept. So the condition is satisfied. So we can say that the intersection of recursive language also a recursive language. Third property, complementation. So complement of recursive language also a recursive language. So how to design a Turing machine for this? So that here the M can accept the here there is a Turing machine and can accept the complement. Here consider the Turing machine M for the language L. It accept, then the M dash can reject. If the Turing machine M reject, the Turing machine M dash can accept. So anyway the basic condition is satisfied. So we can say that the complement of recursive language also a recursive language. So if M accept, M dash reject. If M reject, then M dash accept. So likewise we have property of the recursive language. Concatenation of two recursive language also a recursive language. Closure of recursive language also a recursive language. Homomorphism of recursive language also a recursive language. Inverse homomorphism of recursive language is not recursive. So these are all the properties of the recursive language. Thank you.